how does he make time for you?
Kapag may chance, pinupuntahan niya ako sa taping or sa work. And then, if wala naman akong work that day, hindi pa mag-time.
Okay, at may tanong tayo. Marami ang tatanong na, how would you describe your love life? Nasa plan ka na ba? Talagang mag-seryoso? Pakasal?
Well, I'm saying it right here, and sa opinion ko, my relationship is fairly new. Baka 6 months lang natin. So, wala pa kaming 1 year. And, pero I feel like in that first year, actually in the first 2 years, like you're still getting to know each other eh. Parang ako, feeling ko may mga bagay na pag nalalaman ko tungkol sa kanya, nagkukulat pa rin ako. So, you know, I don't really know yet, diba, kung ano yung ending ng story. Pero right now, syempre, I'm happy and I like the way everything is. I like being able to go to work. I like having a supportive boyfriend. I like having a supportive family. I like that everyone in my life gets along. You know, so gusto ko yung mga nangyayari sa buhay ko.